Set scene linkage with your home smart devices to prepare intimate home for you. This is a smart door sensor, equipped with smart alarm from Moz. The open and close status will display on phone in real time. Also, you can check records of opening and closing. Just stick it on the door, then open the door. The notification will remind you of home security with alarm sounding. The same is true for sticking on the windows. You can know the door status by giving voice commands to Alexa.
Bedroom door is closed.